I talk a lot about how much wildlife we get in our yard and how little they eat, but today I thought I would show you some of the things they do eat. First off, black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susan apparently is quite tasty. They like to chomp on it, but black-eyed Susan seeds very easily. I have picked so many self-seeded plants this year. I leave a whole bunch. So honestly, they have more than enough to chew on, and I'm still picking so many volunteer plants. Another plant the wildlife likes to eat are the liatris here, which will be blooming in the coming weeks. You can see down here, the bunnies have gotten to it. But we still have not only a lot of this plant, but I have a lot more liatris throughout the front and back yards. Bunnies aren't a huge problem here. There may be one day, but they aren't right now. So I don't mind if they come. I love seeing them in the yard. The deer like to nibble on the elderberry, but if you watch my videos, you know just how much I have actually chopped off of this elderberry, and I've even propagated some on the other side of the shed. So I have more than enough elderberry to go around. I will say that the birds do get the berries even before they ripen. Now, if I was going to harvest the elderberry, that might be a problem, which I am not. Another plant the deer like to eat are the coneflower. Look at these coneflower. Little nibbles the whole way, but look how big this plant is. And it is producing, oops, the bumblebee was about to come up, and it is even flowering. So I'm not that concerned about it because it still has plenty of leaves. Now, when I first planted the coneflower, I have a few around the yard, I thought the deer were just going to eat it and that would be the end of my coneflower. But now that they've had a couple winters and they're more established, they're showing that they are continuing to grow and get stronger, and the deer can come and nibble, and it's not the end of the world. There are some plants and trees that the deer like to get to in late fall and winter. I will talk about those when the time comes.